83, give me the channel, I got it.
Oh, yes, channel 50 to our line.
Bravo 19 up, 722.
83, he's fleeing,
10 for which direction?
Mount Zion towards Dixie, Mount Zion towards Dixie.
Copy, Mount Zion towards Dixie, description.
Towards Kenton County, left lane.
Left lane.
Just to be clear, he is in a vehicle?
Blue vehicle, temp tags, yep. He was going towards Kenton County. Kenton County just blew the red light, almost caused an accident.
1040 to go eastbound of Controverso.
Yep, we are eastbound Mount Zion, eastbound Mount Zion. He's at the roundabout, cutting cars off.
10-4.
And he's going straight on Bristow through the roundabout.
10-4 straight through the second roundabout.
There's a Kenton County unit up ahead of me.
10-4.
Alright, looks like he's going through the second roundabout. I got Independence behind him.
10-4.
3320, you can stay with him now.
Copy, I'll stay with him until he gets another car. I can't give you a speed, it's every bit of 70, 80 plus. There is light traffic. It is also a construction zone. Made a right-hand turn at the stop sign.
10.
We're continuing on.
10-4. Advise we are passing May here.
Yep, coming up on the second standby. Yeah, we are passing Hog Griffey.
We're passing Hog Griffey.
He's on the left side of the roadway, as we are passing Falcon Ridge.
Passing Falcon Ridge. What are your speeds?
65.
65.
They're still continuing down eastbound.
Does Independence have anybody with him yet?
Negative. Passing Calvary, just myself and Independence. He just cut another car off right here in the curve.
Not to my knowledge, they have another vehicle with them.
Not yet, it's just myself and Independence.
10-4.
Alright, well, I am passing Greenbrook.
Copy, passing Green.
Almost hit a car head on at the 300 block.
10-4 to East 1, spin out.
No, almost hit. Stand by. Looks like we're making a right-hand turn on 536.
10-4 right on 536.
We're only about 55. Just made another right-hand turn onto Independence Road.
Right on Independence Road.
Disengage once Independence gets somebody else with them. We're going to be out when he gets somebody with him.
He's still by himself. I don't have anybody else with us, too. And we're passing Pinebrook. Just ran the red light. Making a left on Mayhair. Negative, stayed on Independence, stayed on Independence.
Robert 19, they go on Independence Station.
Correct, we're on Independence Station, passing Caraba Lane or something like that. Cobra.
Okay, I got Independence coming now. They're coming on the Independence Station.
Alright, he's coming right towards those guys right now. We're on a 2-lane, still going southbound, looks like. I'm gonna find a set of railroad tracks and see which way he goes. He went left on Banklet. Left on Banklet.
Left on Banklet.
It's just Independence and I still till get another county unit here.
They're trying.
Taking off, turning left on a Banklet from Walton.
10-4.
That base rail. That's the block we're at.
I'm in the, not really sure. Let me find an address. I got another county car here. I'm not sure where they went to. 12,000 Banklet. Copy that. Yes.
Are you coming back into Boone County? 10-4. Back into Boone County.
63 Dixie Mayhair.
Copy, Dixie Mayhair.
I'm not sure which way he turned here at this intersection.
Large Boone County's going to be to the right. Independence is going to be to the left.
Did you see a blue car go by here fast? A blue car, which way?
10-4, they think he turned possibly right.
Copy, turned right.
So westbound on Walton. 10-4. Okay, went south on 16. South on 16.
Does Kenton County have him yet?
That's negative. That was from a witness.
So south on 16, so he's coming back to Boone County on 16.
Correct.
Anyone, does the victim have their location? Do you see like 360 so they know where he's at?
That's how they gave it to us, but we don't have anybody in contact with that person right now.
Okay, and definitely has the child with him, is the belief.
83, the child is in the back seat, yes. The child is in the back seat. I got visual of the child at the gas pumps.
10-4.
At this point, based on his driving, and the fact that we have his location, let's discontinue for now.
Okay. Dispatch, give me another location. If he went south on 16, let's see where he's at now.
10-4, they're checking a 360 ping right now. 10-4. CCM 41 and 42, I put you back on the Bolo.
this information. I believe Post 6 Commander is behind us as well.
10-4. They're southbound Dixie, passing the high school.
Passing the high school, Dixie in Kenton County, or we're talking Boone?
Dixie in Kenton County. He's trying to listen, but... High school.
I just got hit.
Crash. Start squad.
I just got hit. 3320.
3320, I copy you got hit.
Check on him. We got him up on the side of a...